Feeling overwhelmed and exhausted? Let's discover how to fight burnout and actually win. We explore the most effective strategies to help reclaim your energy, joy, and get your life back on track. Firstly, what exactly is burnout? The term burnout is used to refer to a state of chronic physical and emotional exhaustion, where prolonged stress drains your vitality and enthusiasm. Look for physical signs like fatigue, headaches, and changes in sleep patterns. These symptoms can signal that your body is struggling to keep up with relentless demands. Emotionally, you might feel detached, cynical, or constantly stressed. These feelings can erode your sense of purpose and happiness, making it hard to find joy in daily activities. Behavioral signs include decreased performance and withdrawal from responsibilities. You may find yourself avoiding tasks or struggling to complete even simple ones, impacting your overall productivity. Burnout can deeply affect personal lives, straining relationships, and reduce the desire for social interactions. Feeling constantly drained and irritable can diminish overall life satisfaction and emotional well-being. In the professional realm, burnout hampers productivity and creativity, leading to decreased job satisfaction. Chronic stress makes it difficult to focus, resulting in lower performance and diminished career growth. To combat burnout, start by identifying specific stressors. Determine whether it's workload, lack of support, or other factors causing distress. Being aware of what is happening and understanding the root cause is the first step towards effective management. Setting boundaries between work and personal life is crucial. Learn to say no when necessary, ensuring you have time to recharge and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Prioritize self-care by scheduling regular breaks, exercising, and eating healthily. These small adjustments can significantly impact your overall well-being, helping you to manage stress more effectively. Seek support from friends and family to share your feelings and gain emotional relief. A mental health professional can provide valuable guidance and coping strategies tailored to your unique situation. Practice mindfulness techniques such as meditation and deep breathing exercises to manage stress and stay grounded. These practices help cultivate a sense of calm and improve overall mental well-being. Design a balanced daily routine that incorporates work, leisure, and rest. Prioritizing a variety of activities ensures you maintain a healthy balance. And avoid overwhelming yourself with any single task. Use effective time management techniques like the Pomodoro technique to enhance productivity. Breaking down tasks into uninterrupted focus times of 25 minutes, then taking a 5 to 10-minute break, stepping away from work. Repeat this working pattern, making sure you take a longer break after 4 rounds. This method helps maintain focus, increased productivity, and prevents burnout from prolonged work sessions. Engage in hobbies or activities that bring joy and relaxation to your life. Pursuing interests outside of work replenishes your energy and provides a much-needed mental escape. Limiting technology use, especially before bed, can significantly improve sleep quality. Reducing screen time helps your mind unwind, promoting better rest and overall well-being, crucial for combating burnout. Focusing on positivity and practicing gratitude daily can shift your mindset. By recognizing and appreciating small joys, you can counteract negative emotions and foster resilience against stress and exhaustion. If your job is the primary source of burnout, it's worth evaluating your satisfaction. Reflect on your career goals and consider exploring changes that align better with your personal and professional fulfillment. To recap, addressing burnout involves identifying stressors, setting boundaries, prioritizing self-care, seeking support, and practicing mindfulness. Implementing these strategies can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. On our channel, you will find more helpful videos on empowering your life, such as how to find true happiness, getting started with mindfulness, and improving your sleep. Ready to take action against burnout? Start implementing these strategies today. Your journey to a healthier, more balanced life begins with small, intentional steps. Beat burnout. Change the narrative and reclaim your enjoyment of life. Subscribe for more new life-changing content. And we wish you well with your journey.